Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So again, I'm back with today's Leetcode question. That's furthest building you can reach. Basically, before beginning this, I'd again like to request you all to please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any queries regarding any video or you want any particular solution, interview, experience, or anything you'd like to know. Then talking about this question, so this question has been asked many a times in FANG interviews, and not just FANG interviews. Various product-based companies go up with this question and this type of question. So please be careful while watching this. Okay. So let's check what does this question say. Okay. What is the particular thing this question is asking for? So the question says you are given an integer array heights representing the heights of building and some bricks and ladders. So you have to start a journey from building 0, that's a 0th index. You have to move to the next building, possibly using bricks or ladders. Okay. While moving from I to I plus 1, that's let's assume from 0 to 1. Then if the current building's height is greater, that means if you are on a taller building, then obviously you don't need any ladder or brick. But if that's opposite, that it's less, then in that case you'll require either one ladder or the bricks. Now bricks, the number of bricks would be the difference between the heights of the two buildings. Okay, considering that each brick is of unit 1, so that is why we'll require the difference. Now we have to return the farthest building you can reach. So as said, the first building is 0th index, so let's say we have to return the index of that particular building. Okay, let's see, this example is also given to us: heights, bricks, and ladders. We have these things mentioned and we have to check from where it could go. Okay, so initially the person is on 4. Okay, I'll just write down this: 4, 2, 7, 6, 9, 14, and 12. Okay, so these are the buildings that we have to go. The person is initially on 4. Okay, now as said, if the next building is of lesser length, then obviously nothing is required, the person can directly jump. So he has reached one building without anything. Now again, you can see 2 is less than 7. So obviously in this case, either you require one ladder or you require number of bricks. So if talked about number of bricks, then how many number of bricks there should be, the difference between them? That's 5. And we have number of bricks as 5 and we have ladders as 1. So talking about this, we can either use a ladder or a brick. Let's say we used a brick this time. Okay, that's a 5. Again a smaller one, so we can go directly. Then talking about this 6 to 9. Okay, 6 to 9, again that's a greater one, so we need something. Now if we used bricks here, so we'll use one ladder here. That's differences too. Okay, now ladder is also finished, bricks is also finished, and this is again greater. Will we be able to move? No. So the number of the number of buildings they moved, so would be the index of this ninth one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 would be our output. Now talking about why we took bricks here, we could have taken ladder if we consider that case too. Okay, if here we had a ladder, then again for this we need bricks. So out of 5, 3 bricks are left. But here the difference is again 5 and we are left with just 2 bricks. So obviously this won't be possible. Okay, now let's look at another example for the same question and we'll see how we could do it. So this is the example 2 mentioned there. We have 4, 12, 2, 7. These are the number of things. Bricks mentioned are 2, ladders 2. Now the first one was just an explanation. This is how we'll go off with the approach. Okay, so we'll take a priority queue. Okay, why priority queue? Because we know, like, queue, it's first in first out. Secondly, how we need to maintain it, like which one should come first and which one should come second. So initially the person is on 4. Okay, the next one is 12. The very first thing we have to do is find the difference between them. So difference is 8. Okay, now what we'll do, if difference is greater than 0, why greater than 0? Because if it's a shorter one, it would be negative. So if the difference is greater than 0, we'll add it to the priority queue. So let's add it here, 8. Once added, we'll compare. If the size of the priority queue is greater than the number of ladders, I'll tell you why we're comparing with ladders too. If it's greater than the number of ladders, then what we'll do, we'll use the bricks. But here it's not greater than number of ladders, right? So what we have to do, we'll check another thing. Even for bricks, we'll check whether the bricks possible are less than 0. No, they are still 10. So what we'll do, we'll do nothing. That means we can move to the second one. Again, now we are on 12. Next we have to go is on 2. Find the difference. Difference is minus 10. Right? This is negative. Again, if it is negative, we'll compare. Now, for this condition, again we'll check. Now we'll not add it in priority queue because we don't require any ladder or brick here. Okay, so we'll again check the same, are the bricks and all available? Yes, they are still there. Come to the next one, that's 7. Find the difference here. The difference is 5. Again, now this is 5, we'll add it here. Is the queue PQ size greater than ladders? No, it's almost equal. Neither the bricks are 0. Again coming to the third one. Okay, now again the difference is negative, nothing has to be done. Come to the next one, here it's 8. Now talk, this is 50. Okay, again this is positive, so we'll add here. Now while we add this, we'll check that now the PQ dot size, that's the priority dot size, is greater than ladders, right? So what we'll do is we'll remove from the bricks one. Okay, we'll remove the bricks. So bricks are 10. If we remove this, first in first out, that's why. If we remove this, then number of bricks are now 2. Okay, again we'll check, are the bricks less than 0? No. 2 bricks left, 2 buildings again left. Okay, if possible, now we'll go to the next iteration. Here we require 2 more. So we'll add it here, 2. Again we'll check. Again this is greater, yes. So we'll check with the ladders. Now 2 ladders subtracted because PQ dot size was again greater than 0. 2 ladders got subtracted, left with 2 bricks. So 2 bricks. Now bricks, is it less than 0 or equal to 0? Yeah, bricks got equal to 0, 2 and 8. For this we'll return the ith index present here. So what is the ith index we'll see? Okay, sorry, I forgot this too. Yeah. Again this is less, so nothing to be added. So we'll iterate now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there was 7 index, so the output here should be 7. What we did, we'll add, compare and check for each and every building. Okay, and we, on every addition to the queue, we'll check whether the number of ladders are less or the bricks are less than 0. Okay, I hope this solution was clear. If there was some query, please let me know in the comment box. Let's have a look at the code right now. I introduced a priority queue, iterated towards each and every height, found the difference. If difference is greater than 0, add. Compare each height with PQ.size greater than this. If possible, subtract it. And if bricks get less, then return I. Okay. And if nothing like this goes on, then obviously that means we have traversed each and every particular height. Then we'll return heights.length minus 1. That's all the particular buildings have been traversed. Okay, I guess this is clear. If not, then please let me know in any particular comments, any particular thing you have doubts. I'll be happy to help you out. And I have one query which you all have shared. That's for the resume for getting internships and some service-based starting companies. You can say interview experience. So I'll be doing that very soon. I have that in my list. So apart from that, if there are anything you want from my end, please let me know. Till then, keep following Techie. Thank you.